Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've subscribed to my channel already because there's a lot that I have in store for you. Well, starting with today's video, today we'll be covering important sobriquets. Sobriquets are interesting and fun to learn, and I believe that if we learn it while we're completing this video, it's going to be beneficial for all of us. So let's get started. I'm going to make a lot of drawings and everything to make sure that you learn it easily. So starting with the first one we have here is Bengal sorrow. Bengal sorrow is the name for Damodar river, and that is why we have a river here and a symbol of sorrow. So Damodar river is the Bengal sorrow. Then we have Nilgiris. Nilgiris are blue mountains, and that is why the Nilgiris, the place is called Blue Mountains. Then we have city of Arabian Nights. Baghdad is called the city of Arabian Nights. Kolkata is called the city of palaces, mainly because the fact that Kolkata was the hub of East India Company, and the East India Company had made many palaces in Kolkata. Then we have Rome. It is called the Eternal City. And why is it called the Eternal City या फिर City of Seven Hills? Is because of the fact that it is believed that Rome has existed since forever. It has always been a part of our global history, and that is why it is called an eternal city. Then we have the Empire City, or also known as the Big Apple, or known as the City of Skyscrapers. It is New York. Then we have San Francisco, which is called the City of the Golden Gate. San Francisco. It is called the City of the Golden Gate. Then we have City of Joy, and that is Kolkata. We have Commercial Capital of India. Ever since British had invaded India, the commercial capital of India has always been Mumbai. Then we have dairy of Northern Europe. So a lot of milk and milk related products are originated in Denmark. That is why the dairy of Northern Europe is Denmark. Their milk quality is also considered one of those best. Then we have Dark Continent, which is Africa. Then we have Forbidden City, city that has been forbidden. Forbidden City, it is Lhasa, Tibet. I think it would be better if I tell you the place first and then how is it associated, because it is then easy to learn. So we'll start with Kent. Kent is called the Garden of England. Then we have Bangalore. It is called the Garden City of India. Garden City of India. Then we have Gate of Tears. So Bab-el-Mandab at Jerusalem. जेरूसलेम में जो बब एल मंदब है, बब एल मंदब, it is called the gate of tears. Then we have Gateway of India is obviously Mumbai. So Mumbai is known for Gateway of India. Then we have Egypt. It's called the Gift of the Nile. Then we have Johannesburg. It's the Golden City. Then we have Broadway. It's in New York, and it's called the Great White Way. Then we have Korea, which is called Hermit's Kingdom. Just a second. Hermit's Kingdom. We have Palestine, which is called the Holy Land. Holy Land. We have Bahrain, which is the Island of Pearls. We have Gibraltar. Gibraltar is the key to the Mediterranean. Key to the Mediterranean. Then we have Punjab. It's the land of 5 rivers. Why is it known for the land of 5 rivers? It's because of the fact that the 5 rivers Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj meet in Punjab, and Punjab covers all of those 5 rivers. Then we have Finland, which is called the land of 1,000 lakes. So we have like 1,000 lakes here. You can remember, this is land of 1,000 lakes, Finland. Then we have land of cakes. So we have Scotland. Scotland is a land of like cherries and everything. So this is the land of cakes. I'm not sure if what I've made is a cake, but I hope you get it. So yeah, it's a land of cakes, right? I just place the candle in between. I hope that it looks like, yeah. So that is how it is. Scotland is the land of cakes. Then we have land of kangaroos, and it is obviously Australia. Australia is known as the land of kangaroos. We have Canada. It is the land of Canada, land of lilies. It is also called the Lady of Snow. Then we have Korea. It is also called a land of morning calm. We've also learned that Korea is also called as Hermit's Kingdom. So Korea has 2 names, land of morning calm and Hermit's Kingdom. Now moving ahead, we have Australia, which is, so it is also known for its kangaroos. Secondly, it is also called land of the golden fleece. So it's known for its kangaroos and golden fleece. Kangaroos and golden fleece. Then we have land of the golden pagoda, and it is Myanmar. Myanmar has a lot of pagodas. Pagodas are basically a type of architecture of temple. So Myanmar is known for golden pagoda. Then we have the land of midnight sun. Why is Norway the midnight sun? Is because of the fact that Norway has 12 hours daylight, and it goes ahead till the 12 a.m. and mostly sun is there. That is why you have land of the midnight sun. Then we have land of the rising sun. It is Japan. Then we have land of thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. So Bhutan is the land of thunderbolt. We have land of white elephants. I'm sure you must be knowing this. It's Australia. It's Thailand. I'm so sorry. It's Thailand. Then we have South India. So the Manchester of South India, Coimbatore. Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of South India. If you remember why Manchester is famous in Indian history, is why you will know that how Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of South India. Comment down below why Manchester was important in the global history if you remember it from your class 10th syllabus. Then we have mother-in-law of Europe. So Denmark is known as the mother-in-law of Europe. We've also covered that Denmark was also the dairy of Northern Europe. So mother-in-law of Europe. Then we have prairies, and prairies is the never land. It's the never land, right? Then we have obviously the pink city of India, which is the Jaipur. Then we have playground of Europe. So Switzerland is the playground of Europe. And then we have Queen of the Arabian Sea. So Cochin in India is the Queen of Arabian Sea. Because if India is made like this, then at this point Cochin is there, and because this is all Arabian Sea, that is why Cochin is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea. Queen of Arabian Sea. Then we have roof of the world. It is Pamir in Tibet. So Pamir in Tibet is known as the roof of the world. Roof of the world. Then we have Turkey, which is the sick man of Europe. Sick man of Europe. Then we have sorrow of China. It's the Yellow River. So sorrow of China is river Huanghe. Bengal sorrow was Damodar River, and river Huanghe in China is sorrow of China, or also called as the Yellow River. Sorrow of China. Then we have the sugar bowl of the world. That is, Cuba is called the sugar bowl of the world. And lastly, we have the twin city. So it is Budapest is the twin city. Last one you should also do is windy city, which is Chicago. So Chicago is called the windy city. That's it for this video. I hope you've subscribed to my channel, and please like the button if you like this video. Share it with your friends and your classmates and all the entrances aspirants. And that is it. I'll be covering a lot of general knowledge in the rest of the videos, so stay tuned. Thank you.